Dictation will starts in 5 seconds. Start by way of instant petition filed under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. Prayer has been made on behalf of the petitioner for quashing of FIR number 76 of 2018 dated 2nd 4 2018 under sections 452 506 509 354D of IPC registered at Police Station Baluganj District Shimla Himachal Pradesh as well as consequent proceedings pending adjudication in the competent court of law on the basis of the compromise arrived inter se parties whereby both the parties have resolved to settle their dispute amicably enters them full stop whether the reporters of the local papers may be allowed to see the judgment question mark yes full stop precisely the facts of the case as emerge from the pleadings as well as other material adduced on record by the respective parties are that FIR sought to be quashed in the instant proceedings came to be lodged at the behest of respondent number 2 Miss Reshma Kashyap bracket start hereinafter referred to as the complainant bracket close who alleged that for last 4 years she was in relationship with of petitioner accused Vipin Kumar who had promised to marry her full stop she alleged that in December 2017, she, after having come to know about the relationship of petitioner co-accused with another girl, ended her relationship with him. Full stop. However, petitioner accused no one pretext or other started troubling her full stop she alleged that by making fake id accused named in the fir sent disgraceful messages about her to her friends and family as a result of which she was subjected to immense harassment humiliation and mental agony full stop though after completion of investigation police has already presented challan in competent court of law but before same could be taken to its logical and parties have entered into compromise whereby they have resolved to settle their dispute amicably enters them full stop in the aforesaid background, petitioner has approached this court in the instant proceedings for quashing of the FIR as well as consequent proceedings pending in the competent court of law full stop pursuant to the directions issued by this court respondent state has filed status report under signatures of SHO police station Baluganj district Shimla Himachal Pradesh wherein factum of compromise arrived enters parties has been duly acknowledged full stop respondent number 2 oblique complainant has come present in court and is being represented by Mr. Rohit advocate full stop she states on oath before this court that she of her own violation and without there being of any external pressure has entered into the compromise whereby both the parties have resolved to settle their dispute amicably enters them full stop she states that FIR sought to be quashed in result of misunderstanding full stop coupled with fact that accused name in the FIR has apologized for his misbehavior and misconduct and has undertaken not to repeat such act in future and as such she does not wish to prosecute the case further and shall have no objection in case prayer made on behalf of petitioner for quashing of the FIR as well as consequent proceedings, if any, pending adjudication in the competent court of law is accepted and petitioner accused is acquitted of the charges framed against him, full stop, while admitting the contents of the compromise placed on record to be correct, she also admits her signatures upon the same, full stop. Her statement is taken on record, full stop. Mr. Ravi Chauhan, learned Deputy Advocate General, after having heard the aforesaid statement made by respondent number 2 oblique complainant fairly states that no fruitful purpose would be served in case FIR as well as consequent proceedings sought to be quashed are allowed to sustain, full stop. He further states that otherwise also chances of conviction of petitioner accused are very remote and bleak in view of the statement made by respondent number 2 oblique complainant, and as such respondent state shall have no objection in case the prayer made in the petition is allowed, full stop. The question which now needs consideration is whether FIRs in question can be ordered to be quashed when Honorable Apex Court in Narendra Singh and other versus State of Punjab and another within bracket 2014 6 SCC 466 has specifically held that power under section 482 CRPC is not to be exercised in the cases which involve heinous and serious offences of mental depravity or offences like murder, rape, dacoity, etc., since such offences are not private in nature and have a serious impact on society, full stop. At this stage it would be relevant to take note of the judgment passed by Honorable Apex Court in Narendra Singh within bracket Supra, whereby the Honorable Apex Court has formulated guidelines for accepting the settlement and quashing the proceedings or refusing to accept the settlement with direction to continue with the criminal proceedings, full stop. Perusal of judgment referred to above clearly depicts that in para 29.1 Honorable Apex Court has returned the findings that power conferred under section 482 of the code is to be distinguished from the power which lies in the court to compound the offences under section 320 of the code, full stop.